Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, in the last class we discussed about different types of plants, right? What are that? The first one is the trees, right? Next one is shrubs and herbs. So, what you mean by trees? Yes, the big plants which have a very strong stem, that are called as your trees, right? Yes, the next one is your shrub. Shrub means what? These are small plants which have hard stem, are called as shrub. And the third one is what? These are the herbs. These are very small plants with a soft stem, and mostly the color of the stem is green. These are herbs, right? And what are the examples of trees? Yes, the trees like mango, banyan, guava, these all will come under trees, right? The next one is shrubs. Examples of shrubs are jasmine, rose, cotton, bougainvillea, etc. And the third type is the herbs, right? Examples are grass, cabbage, sunflower, mint, etc. Now coming to another type of plant, that is climber. Okay, have you seen a money plant? Yes, and you know that how it climbs up, right? Yes. So the plants which have very thin stem, which cannot stand by itself, but it can climb up with a support. Such plants are called as climber. Okay, so examples of climbers are grapevine and money plant. Right? So, this is a plant. See how it is climbing up. Now, moving to another topic. Before that, you can see here, there are plants that feed on insects, children. Okay, examples are pitcher plant. That means that depends on insects. Now, here you can see one small activity is there. Here some trees, shrubs, herbs and climbers are given in the picture. You have to count how many trees, herbs, climbers and shrubs are there here. Okay, so count and write here. Now moving to another topic which is very important. Parts of a plant. So children, before that, can you tell me what are the different parts of our body? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, knees, etc. Right? So these are the parts of our body. Similarly, a plant also have its parts. Okay? So let's see what are the different parts of a plant. So this is the plant. Okay? So here you can see these are the flowers. Right? So already you know this. These are the flowers. These are the leaves. Right? Yes. And this one, yes, the fruits. Some of the plants have fruits and some of the plants don't have fruits or flowers, right? That depends. Now the next one is, this is the stem, right? Which connects the root to the other parts of the plant, that is the stem, right? As you know that the stem can be hard and strong or it can be soft as your herbs, right? And another important part of the plant is roots, children, right? So this is the part which remains under the ground. Normally we can't see the root part, right? So normally we see whatever the parts of the plants that are present above the ground, and the root is the part that present below the soil, right? So these are the different parts of the plant. So try to draw this in your classwork. Now children, here, so you know this butterfly, right? She's fancy. She's telling something about plant. What is that? A plant has many parts. They help the plant to live and grow. So as I said, your root is the part which helps it to fix in the soil. Okay? So stem, it connects the other parts of the plant to the root. Fruits. Next is what? The leaves. Leaves make food for the plant. Okay. So now let's see each of the part in detail. So children, here you can see these are the roots, right? So this is a root which presents below the ground. So here you can see roots are at the bottom of the plant. So top and bottom, right? So this is the top of the plant. This is the bottom of the plant. Now below the ground, they fix the plant to the ground. They holds the plant, right? They absorb water and minerals from the soil, right? As I said during the previous classes, so we pour water in the soil where the root is there, right? Yes, so that's what. So here you can say this is the root part and this is the stem and leaf, other parts of the plant. Now moving to the next part, that is stem. The stem is above the ground. It bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. So this is the stem part, right? And as you know that it carries food and water to all parts of the plant. So it takes whatever the minerals and water taken from the root and it supplies it to the other parts of the plants. And as you know, there are different types of stems. Now, so this is the stem part. Now moving to the next parts. So these are the leaves, right? Leaves are the very important part of the plant. What are these? Yes, it makes food for the plant. So these are the leaves. So leaves are attached to branches. They make food for the plant. Now the next part is flower. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Yes or no? Yes, it changes into a fruit. So here these are the flowers. Now coming to the last part, that is the fruit. So the fruit grows from a flower. It contains seeds. So as you know children, the fruit contains the seeds. So as you know children, the fruit contains seeds. By planting the seeds, we can again get the same type of plant, right? So these are the fruits. Children, these are the different parts of a plant. So here one small poem is there about a little plant. Read this one. Now children, here one small activity is there. Do this in your textbook. So read the level carefully and draw the part of a plant which describes it. So here you can see the first block is empty. So here you have to draw the parts of the plant, right? Makes food for the plant. Can you tell me which part makes food for the plant? Yes, that is the leaf, right? So here you have to draw the leaf. Now coming to the second block, holds the plant in the soil and takes in water. Can you tell me which part? Yes, that is the root part. So here you have to draw root. Next is carries water and food to all parts of the plant. This is the stem part. Here you have to draw the stem. So leaf, root, stem. Now coming to the next block. It is the most beautiful part of a plant and changes into a fruit. So that is your flower. So here you have to draw flower. Next, contains seeds in it. Can you tell me which part? Yes, that is your fruit part. So this is all about your plant and its parts.